bottom of the soul, it's no bread of destitution. Heart smash, flat like dough, where there is no pollution. You with no words to hold hopes, questions and solution. The bedrock of a river that flow, no past, present or future. We are men of the nature, we are made from the earth. At the ends of my 80 or return to the dirt, just sand, just rock, dry land, fast and silent, only breathing, only being, just children of the future. It's like fire, but to be strong with compassion. In the morning you're born everlasting, like the grass by the sea, bend with the wind which knocks it down time and again. We remain and sing, sing until the dawn of day carries us away. We sway through the phases, each generation might leave our chance to leave this station. Being from fantasy fade, no past, present or future. As she walks through that space on dry land that's cracked and broken, we came to taste the rain. We're just widows and orphans, not afraid to feel no pain or to leave behind our notion. Bathe in showers, taste the tension, hear the howl, climb the mountain, kiss the cold and heal the frozen. I dream endless in a dungeon. We are men of the nature, we are made from the earth. At the ends of my 80 or return to my dirt, just sand, just rock, dry land, fast and silent, only breathing, only being, children of the future. The spot in these trees and they fall naturally. I've been pretty face these seasons, cause time's changing, no one's to blame. Even when the day is here, yeah, will we rise like a lion in the morning sun, or will we just lay there bleeding? And the time return to the kingdom. Close my eyes, I'll be screaming freedom, freedom, oh, freedom.